It's As Josh Sees It here, coming at you for a spontaneous moto vlog. Me and Lugnuts Guapo just decided to make a last-minute trip down to Waco. It's about 100 miles down there. It's a little hot out here in North Texas. I think it's 95 degrees with 50% humidity, but we should be down there by about 8 o'clock tonight. We're gonna make a quick stop over at Brass Tacks Barbershop, going to meet a buddy who's traveling cross country right now. We're gonna go meet him for dinner, hang out for a little bit, and then we're gonna smash back to Dallas tonight. Should be back by, I don't know, 11:30, somewhere in there. About to be a dope time. It's a little bit hot outside, but I'm actually previewing some new riding pants that I have. And I mean, they're not really riding pants, they're a really lightweight material, and I'm actually testing these out to see if these are going to be the pants that I ride when we go up to Sturgis here. And we're going to be doing a couple really long 700+ mile days. It's going to be hot outside, and so I wanted something that obviously gave myself some protection from the sun, but offered just a little bit more breathability than traditional jeans do. And the best part about these pants is, oh yeah, these bad boys unzip and get a little breeze going down there. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. These are gonna be sick. Hopefully I don't burn a hole through them by brushing up against the exhaust, but I'll let you guys know how I like them. There's Carl, Lugnuts Guapo in the flesh. We're about to roll out to Waco. Yeah, about to be dope. So we are just going down I-35 south. There is nothing on this highway. We are just, I think, a little bit south of Waxahachie right now. We got about another 60 miles or so till we hit Waco. Even though it's a little bit hot outside, honestly, it just feels really good to get out there. Some good old-fashioned wind therapy with your boy Lugnuts Guapo right up there. So the verdict on these pants is these pants are freaking awesome. You've got to be kidding me. There is so much airflow going through the nether regions. I'm super stoked on these things. I can't believe it's taken me this long. The only thing that's gonna suck is if rocks or bugs come up and hit me in the shin. But until then, living la vida loca! Man, this is perfect because I'm hungry for some barbecue right now. We haven't really eaten much today, just kind of snacked our way through the day. No real big meals. And basically the goal is right now to just get a whole bunch of barbecue sitting heavy in our stomach. Trusting Lugnuts Guapo up there to take us where we need to go. I told him we're going to Rudy's on Circle Avenue, and he was like, hey, don't worry about it, I know where we're going. And so I was like, all right, type. He's from these streets. I ain't from these streets. I'm from the streets of LA. West Coast, best coast, son. I'm just kidding. I guess for those of you guys that don't know a lot about me, I actually grew up in Hawaii. So talk about West Coast, best coast, that's like true West Coast, best coast. And then from Hawaii, when I was a kid, we ended up moving to Southern California, and I lived in Southern California up until about 2018. where we moved out to Dallas, Texas, where we've been ever since, and have just absolutely loved living in Texas. We're here, Rudy's Barbecue. Guys, we are about to hit downtown Dallas. As soon as we come past these couple signs, you'll be able to see the Dallas skyline. And this is where we are going to say goodbye to Lugnuts Guapo. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Hey, if you enjoyed this content, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch more videos, we'll have an option for that at the end of this video. Hope you guys have been entertained. Hope you guys learned something. Look forward to seeing you guys back again for the next video. Deuces!